That's insane. I can't even fathom this.
As you can see, in this week I have already made a little bit over $20,000.
Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080. The strategy that is taught in the Commission Hero program by Robbie Blanchard. There's absolutely no way I would have achieved this without him.
My week looks amazing. Like you can see before it's like 600, 300, 600, 400, and now it's already 2,800, and the week is still going.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and welcome to the page. If you're on this page, it means you're interested in joining my Commission Hero system. And honestly, I don't blame you, because Commission Hero is literally the best way to learn how to make money online. The reason why, guys, is quite simply we have more success stories, more people that are joining Commission Hero and making their first $100 a day, their first $1,000 a day, and more online than virtually any other course or system out there right now on the market. And guys, I want you to actually hear from some of the students that are inside the Commission Hero, real people who are just like you that are having massive results. So let's hear from them right now.
We posted our first set of ads last week, and they started making money on day one, which is a massive win for me because I entered this course knowing absolutely nothing about Facebook. I had never posted an ad before. I had never even boosted a post. So I was coming up from a place of zero knowledge, and I was scared that, you know, it was going to be way over my head and I wouldn't understand what everyone else was doing. And they walk you through absolutely everything. The support of Robbie and the team has been absolutely amazing.
And this is just recently. We've had even better days before that. And pretty much, I mean, the group is fantastic. It's very supportive. People in the group are always very helpful. Robbie's always helpful as well.
Robbie and the Commission Hero are really God sent, and it will definitely change my life for the better.
The support he gives is absolutely phenomenal. When I say he literally answers every question in the group personally, he answers every question. I still don't know how he does it. I started running ads literally a month and a half ago, and I've already hit my first $1,000 day.
So as you can see, I'm having $1,000 days. Today I'm up to $837, and the day is not even over yet. And as you can see up here, $10,000 for the week.
The course is real, the help is real, Robbie is real. All right, guys, so you can see that people are having massive results inside of Commission Hero. And the reason why, guys, is because they're using the same 3-step system that I teach in Commission Hero that made me the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world after being just a struggling gym owner 5 short years ago. And as a matter of fact, let me show you what can be done when you actually apply what I teach in Commission Hero. So let me actually log into my ClickBank account right now. And let me just go ahead and log in. All right, cool. All right, look at this, guys. So boom. You can see that I'm having a ton of success online with this system, guys, and it works for anybody. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter if English is your first language or not. It doesn't even matter if you're in the United States or not, guys, or if you've had any experience or no experience. You can have success inside Commission Hero. And the reason why is simple, guys, because the way that I've structured this program is in a way that allows you to learn very easily. You can go at your own pace and you can have massive success, guys. We have tons and tons and tons of students from all over the world, from Australia, Iceland, the UK, from Brazil, that are having massive success. And there's no reason why you can't have massive success in 2020 as well. So guys, in the Commission Hero course, you're gonna be getting tons of stuff. You can see it all on this page. You're gonna be getting the training, the coaching, the support, the help, the private Facebook group, all these bonuses as well that you'll see listed below this video. So guys, make sure you check out this page, and more importantly, make sure you click that link below to sign up for Commission Hero. There's a couple ways you can pay to jump in, but very important, guys, that you do this now, because 2020 should be the best year you've ever had. I don't say that lightly, guys, because literally we have students inside the course that are having amazing success after having no business and no experience prior to joining Commission Hero. So if you're ready to get out of your comfort zone, to have massive success, and to change your life and your family's lives forever, then go ahead and click the link on this page below, and I'll see you inside Commission Hero.